Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Vision classes. It's a classes for IGCSE, GCSE, AS and A Level student around the globe. So today we have to discuss one of the interesting question from the GCSE higher math. So this is question based on the bearing, cosine rule, sine rule and trigonometric conceptual part. Suppose if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to our channel and support our channel to grow. Fine. So here we have a board cells 35 kilometer north from A to B, fine. Here then from B board cells C, then back to A, like this. Alright, show that the distance of board cells from C to A is 79 kilometer and nearest kilometer we have to find out, fine. So if you look at here, A to B is given is 35 and B to C is 65, and if we find out this angle ABC, this angle is 100 because this is straight line. 180 minus this 80 is 100, so here this is 100. So we know that two sides one angle, we can use the cosine rule. We know the AB BC and we have to find out AC. We know even angle as well, so we can use the cosine rule. So AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square minus 2 times AB times BC times cos of angle between them AB and AC is 100, isn't it? And you have to take the square root of 35 square plus 65 square minus 2 times 35 times 65 times cos of 100, isn't it? And if you do this all these things in your calculator, you will get 78.9, means it's a nothing but 79 kilometer. That's a AC. That's it. So these are the means the cosine rule, we have to use it. We have to apply here. Now B part, work out the bearing of A from C, means this bearing part we have to calculate here. This is 180 and this is this much angle, even we have to identify how much it is. So first thing, we know that this, if you can complete this triangle here, this is 80, means this part is just a 10, isn't it? As it is the right angle triangle, fine. Then we have to even calculate this much angle, fine, means angle BCA, right? So we have, this is opposite side, so for this C angle opposite side is 35, fine. We can use this 100 angle and opposite side is 79, we can use it, fine. So sine of BCA upon 35 is equal to sine of 100 upon 79, isn't it? So you can use the sine inverse of, fine. So to calculate BCA, so sine inverse of 35 sine of 100 divided by 79. Now if you do all this calculation in your calculator, you will get straight away answer around 25.8, isn't it? You can round it to 26. That's it. This is 26, right? So this total bearing is 270. 270 minus 10 minus 26, isn't it? So we will get the bearing of A from C, which is equal to 270 minus 10 minus 26, which is equal to 234. That's it. That's the answer, isn't it? I hope you understood the step-by-step answer writing, fine. So suppose if you want to continue with us, I have left the contact in the description box. Enjoy the maths.